Where to find the best sites. Media playback software. Hello. You want more information about how do you reinstall iTunes? These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about how do you reinstall iTunes is support.apple.com. See the page titled Remove and Reinstall iTunes and Related Software. Here's the link. You can also try www.buzzle.com, especially the page How to Reinstall iTunes, Buzzle. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site support.apple.com. The web page Remove and Reinstall iTunes and other software components. Here's the link.